Hey guys, what's up? Again, sorry for not posting as much, but you know, you're gonna get a few videos now coming through because mainly I've not been working on the car, been so busy, but now I don't really have a choice, so I'm just gonna make this quick. So this is a quick unboxing video of the BMR adjustable camber arms. I broke my UPR adjustable camber arms, so you'll have to see that video when it drops soon, and it'll sort of go into a bit more like why I haven't been able to post recently, etc., and how it happened and blah blah blah. And it's just, so I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video to show you what it looks like. Now I'm just going to go into this very quickly. After I broke my camber arm on the right side rear as you're sitting in the driving seat, then obviously I had to get a replacement, so I called around pretty much all of the main suppliers in the UK. No one could get me anything, any brand, at a reasonable price for at least 2 to 4 weeks. That's what I was getting, you know, apparently supply issues, blah blah blah, back orders, etc, etc. So obviously that was not good enough, so I didn't place any orders with any one of the UK suppliers. Went on to Summit Racing. They had the BMR adjustable camber arms up for sale. They showed 10 in stock. I did the quick calculation of the shipping and the cost, and they worked out, even with the tax calculated about 25%, they still worked out about 40 to 50 pounds cheaper door to door than if I was to go to a direct supplier in the UK. Ridiculous. So I placed the order. So this incident happened on Tuesday, so I broke my arm, not my arm, the car's camber arm on Tuesday morning at around 10 a.m. local. Placed the order for replacements with Summit at around 1 p.m. local to be delivered via FedEx, and they were here in Nottingham at my door in under 48 hours and cheaper than what a UK supplier was selling them for. You know, that speaks volumes for itself, you know, so I don't really need to say much more than that. Let's do the unboxing. Let's show you what I got. The package came from all the way from Arlington, Texas, and this is the main reason why I don't give my money to British suppliers, because y'all too slow. When I need a part in an emergency, I expect you guys to have it, and I don't expect a 2 to 4 week delay, especially when I can get it cheaper and quicker from the States directly. So, you know, everybody needs to do better on that front. It is what it is. So let's do this unboxing. So here's the box. Summit Racing. Thank you, Summit. That's why y'all got a sticker up there. You see? Summit Racing. That's why y'all got a sticker up there, because I recommend these guys quite a lot. And you know what? I would have probably got it a bit cheaper if I waited and looked around for like maybe a 5 or 10% discount code. I think it's Labor Day in the US, so normally there's a sale going on, right? But I just didn't want to do it to save like another 20 bucks, whatever. It is what it is. But here's the part. The box it came in. In it, obviously, I have the BMR suspension box. This is the part that I went for. So BMR UCA762 Camber links. Adjustable poly / rod ends, billet aluminium, suitable for 2015 to 2020, basically 2022 Mustang, made in the USA, in black. So this is the box. Get this out. Ooh. And obviously there's some paperwork in there, and you get this, and you get another sticker. Now, is this the same size sticker? I don't know. Let's find out. Oh, slightly bigger, so I might replace that so it looks a bit more. They deserve it, they deserve that. So yeah, anyway, unboxing. Right, so this is the box that came in. I did have a quick sneak peek look in here, not gonna lie, because I was like, I need to have a look to see what's going on. But this is as far as I went. So came packed real nice, not gonna lie. Plenty of card. That's one arm. Put that to one side. Second. And nothing else in here. So put that in there. Put that in there. All of that is junk. Don't need it. So right. Alright, let's do this. So see if you got, yeah, you guys have a good view, and just get my blade. Sorry, the battery's low, so I've got my emergency battery pack charging my yeah, GoPro. So let's see. Careful when you're cutting these open. Obviously we don't want you to cut yourself. Ooh, they're looking good. To be honest, after I posted on one of the groups that my Camber arms had failed, the guys were like, actually that's quite a common problem with that design. So this is a different design to the ones I have on currently. So let's have a look. There you go. That's one. And that's two. Yeah, so again, so these will go on like so. This is basically the broken side. So as you're facing the engine bay in the car in your driving position, this will be on the right side, and this will be on the left side, like so, basically. But yeah, these look nice. Hopefully they won't break. Interesting that they've put it up like that. Very interesting. Okay. Yeah, that's it. There's no grease points, no grease fillings, apart from just this one here, which is, I suppose, good to see. That's not good. That's not good. Oh man, you're kidding me. What the F? That is not how that is supposed to be. You see how that's not flush? And this is the side that I need as well. Crying out loud. Look. But yeah, that's the unboxing. So I don't know if I can put these on. I have to speak to them. That's frustrating. But yeah, it is what it is. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. So I've just had a bit of a play with it actually, and it's just this little piece. It just came off. That's fine. So actually it's pushed in okay. Not an issue. So yeah, we can do this install. So look out for that video. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing and all of that stuff. Again, my apologies for not posting as much content as I would like. Thank you for sticking around. Have a good day.